it's a realistic scenario here where you get handed a drum or you have your own drum, and you want to make it sound better, but you really just don't want to make it sound worse. Okay, so let's try that. Let's see what we got here, and then let's not make it sound worse. Okay, well, that sounds okay actually. Okay, that's a little sharp. I'm getting a lot of like, when I go around, it's like the pitch is, one pitch and it's a little lower and then it's back to the original. It feels a little like if I'm hitting it around and not in the same spot, I might get different notes out of it. So I don't know if that can be fixed. Let's check the bottom head as well. This is an Acrolite. It's from the 80s, so it's definitely been, it's been used, and it is not in like perfect condition. I've always had issues tuning this thing, but it sounds so great. Like, I'm at a loss here. I don't know. It doesn't sound that bad. This seems a little low. Maybe I'm gonna give this a quarter turn and see. This one seems sharp. It seems like sharper than the rest. Maybe a little more. I don't know. That doesn't tell us anything when you hit it like that. All right, back to what we had before. All right. My phone is low on batteries, so I need to check that it's still recording it. It is. Amazing. All right. Let's try the mallet first. All right, so I don't know if you're hearing this, but yeah, this axis. I don't know. This drum. All right, I might make it worse right now. Let's see. You can come at me. Let's see what it sounds like now. Okay. I may have made it better. Let's see. I liked that moment right there. I mean, it might need to be raised again, but throw off. That sunk. Let's take a look again. Oh, this has a dampening thing which is engaged. I always forget about that thing. Let's see. You may disagree. I think I made it better. I think it sounds great. I might end up, in actual practical use, tuning the top head up a little bit just to account for the dip that I introduced, but I don't know. It sounds pretty awesome to me. I honestly wasn't expecting to make it sound better. I thought maybe it would be questionable, but in my opinion, it's not as extreme in terms of like this areas in between where the lugs are, which is, I think there was some top head tension that I didn't catch before because I was just probably too excited to just get into recording something and just was like, I'll just hit it in the middle and it won't be a problem, especially with this controlled sound coded head. For instructional purposes, this wasn't like as quick as you might want if you're at a gig or something, but I think I fixed some imbalance on the top head, checked the bottom, make sure that the bottom wasn't causing it. So yeah, I got a better sound. If you disagree, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and expect more drum and other types of videos from me soon.